All right. We're in front of another custom home here in Incredible Tiny Homes in Newport, Tennessee. I'm going to show you. All right, so this is in the shop, and it's not done, of course, but it's almost there. I just wanted to show you, this is a real quick video of this beautiful custom home. And look at this. The owner, we kind of put it on hold a little bit because they needed to order some really beautiful custom interior items. Now we're getting ready to finish it up. And we've shown this a while back, and we're finally getting it done. But what I like is, you know, this right here, this little part sticking out is just for architectural purposes, right? It's nothing, we don't have any space for living. But look at what it gives the dimensions to this house. Also what we did is we did the Shushiban, I think it was called. I'm sure I'm saying it wrong. But what we did is we put the V-groove vertical, then we burn it with a torch, and then we've sanded a little bit and then put urethane on top of that. Black trim, which goes along with this burnt effect, right? These are all windows that were custom ordered from the homeowner, and they all are awning windows that tilt out. This one is really cool because it's low to the ground, and you guys aren't gonna believe this, but there's a jacuzzi tub in here, all right? Stackable washer and dryer, and then a custom vanity on this side. So this is the bathroom. 2 windows inside the bathroom. Top, and he can open these in an awning. This is gonna be on an Airbnb. We'll let you know where it's gonna be so we can rent this thing out. So let's take a quick little tour of this thing. Let's go, we got some light on this side. All right, you guys know this right in here is our jacuzzi tub. You got a piece of cardboard over it. You guys aren't gonna be able to see that. We'll walk in and show you anyway. And then of course, look at this garage door. This is an insulated black garage door. And this goes into the living room. And look at that. Is that not cool? Now, there's a couple things that we had to do on this door. As you can see, it's set back into the house. And so you've got a water issue. A garage door doesn't sit on the outside, right? So you've got to be able to take this and frame it. And then you've got this water issue here that's got to come down, and all this has got to be maintained. So we didn't think about that when we were actually building the house. So we had to build a custom threshold for this garage. You can come on, man. You're good. All right. So I'm gonna let this down, but we ordered it black, ordered it with insulated glass, and then on the other side is a 9-foot sliding glass door. 1 unit, 2 doors, spanning 9 feet. Let me let this down for you. I lifted it up. Didn't know if the guys had any materials in the way. There we go. All right. This is another custom-made awning window. We're building that ourselves because they couldn't, the one they wanted to sell was over $4,000 for a custom-made awning window. The owner wants an outdoor bar here, huge deck out here, and then he's wanting to be able to have a party, be able to open this awning window as kind of a real, 90-degree awning so he can serve drinks and food to his friends, or you can out on Airbnb. Yeah. And then on back here, what I love, I'm going to show you inside. This is a custom awning window again, and this is on the floor. So here's your kitchen. You got countertops and appliances, a beautiful eat-in kitchen, or not an eat-in, but almost like a chef's kitchen. It's got this beautiful range hood that we're custom building on. I think he bought that one. But this is a window that's on the floor, and then you got another one that's head high, and they're all awning windows, which is really unique. Again, we didn't do a complete burn on this house, but I like the contrast between the black, the burnt, the trim, the urethane, the black trim. It's popping, yeah. All right, watch your step there, Dave. You good? Okay. As you can see, we're under construction, and then we mixed it up on this whole side with this 9-foot glass door. We got a transom window above the sliding glass door, and then you've got this pine lap siding. It's been beautifully urethane, right? I like that we've got some natural color look, just that little bit of rough but finished look that we have with the dark trim mixed with a vertical V-groove on it also. And this is this huge door. Look at the size of this door. I think this door is 48 inches or a little bit wider. Look at this thing. This thing wasn't cheap, I can tell you that right now. All right, let me pull that open for you. 9 feet, everybody, with 2 doors. I love it. You know, sometimes they have those accordion door walls, and they're beautiful, all right? But they fold like a bifold door. So it either has to go inside or outside. And of course, you'll have a bigger space. But my God, how come you need any bigger than this with a garage door across from you? So you still get all this glass and opening without having a door wall. All right. So inside, yeah, now we're inside. You guys are going to love this when we're done. We're just getting the components together. Everybody, look at this barnwood ceiling. Is it too dark, Dave? It's a little dark. Anyway, this is a barnwood ceiling with barnwood rafters. You know what? I'm hoping you can't see it because you're going to have to tune back in to see this thing. I'm going to call it the garage door tiny house, and we'll come back and show you everything. So we got a full kitchen, awning window, serviceable awning window. Over here is another part of your kitchen. This is a big cook stove, top with a range hood going up, going out, refrigerator. And then these are the windows behind here I wanted to show you from the outside. There's a big window back here, an awning window, and then this window here. So, you know when you walk in here, I'll get on this side. Garage door that completely opens up, sliding glass doors that open up, 2 windows in there, a transom. Then you got two more egress windows and another awning. All 3 of those open up into the bedroom. All right, so one of the architectural things that we had to configure when we were building this is when you put this garage door up, you have this track, right? Okay, on an 8-foot wide house where a competitor had built similar one to this. So the homeowner said, hey, can you build this house that a competitor had built? And I said, yeah, I can build it. Let me do it. Didn't have a blueprint, didn't have nothing from them. I just looked at the video and I designed it from the video. So on an 8-foot wide house, this track would be at the end of the wall. So during this competitor, we had a lot of people say, hey, they had visited that house, but they had to actually crawl over the track to get into their loft, which can be massively cumbersome, as you can tell. This one, as you can see, we extended the loft out over the mini split to use the ladder that it doesn't hit the mini split. And actually you can see it's at the end of the track. So the track ends right there, and we'll put something on there so they don't get scratched, right? And now they got an easy access to that loft. The loft is big enough to have a king size mattress up there. You ask me, this is the ultimate Airbnb. King size bedroom mattress in a loft with 3 open windows. Come down here to this massive, beautiful living room. I know you're going to say, well, where do you put your furniture with that door open and that door open? There's nowhere to put anything. The owner actually was thinking about putting back-to-back sofas in here, you know, and I'm sure he's going to put on wheels so they can stroll it around. And then a big kitchen. Now let's get into the bedroom. As you can tell, an Airbnb is nothing unless you got a hot tub jacuzzi, right? And that's what we have here. Inside here, we have this custom jacuzzi. If I can lift it up, underneath there is a jetted jacuzzi. I know it's dark. I'm kind of glad it's dark. You're going to tune back in. All right, so you got a jetted jacuzzi, tankless water heater, big picture window. As you guys can tell, this house is not going to a landfill view, all right? It's going to a massive, beautiful Appalachian mountain view. Get that board? Okay. And then over here is a custom vanity. Big vanity. So when you rent this or live in something like this, look at the space you have in a tiny home bathroom. He's got a stackable washer. No, that's not going to be stackable. It's got under the counter washer and dryer, right? Countertop goes all the way across. So you got a washer and dryer in here. You got a custom vanity, jacuzzi, view, living room, custom kitchen, king size bed, and this garage door, sliding glass door. This has got all the bells and whistles. All I know is we did not charge enough money. That's all I can say. Because I love this house. And really, if you think about it, excuse me, the slope of the roof, what does it remind you of? Incredibox. Is that not cool? So it's an Incredibox. This house is actually just 22 foot long. Just 22. It's 10 by 22. And you got all the length of this right here. We're building an Incredibox right now that is 20 foot long, 8 by 20. There you guys got it. Isn't this gorgeous? All right. Thank you. Hey, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. because I'm going to do another video on this when it's completely done, and you don't want to miss the video. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Come see me at 850 Industrial Road, Newport, Tennessee, and come and look at these homes. We'd love for you to visit. We'll show you what we do, but you got to make an appointment. Give us a call, and we'll let you in our compound, all right? So make sure you subscribe, and what else? Notification button. All right, everybody. Thank you very much. Bye.